Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the INBIKE Mountain Bike Motocross half finger gloves with TPR finger pads and SCR pad for flexibility in road cycling, mountain biking, folding biking, with a fixed gear cycling, etc. As you like. There are a bunch of awesome colors on the market, like gray, green, orange, or black. And I think there are red out there too, but not on our country sales here out there. You have a breathable and a stretchy fabric there. The mountain bike gloves are made of 75% premium polyamide, 15% of polyurethane, and 7% elastane. This makes it flexible. The elastane offers a high elasticity. The stretchy cycling gloves ensure a snug fit while we are riding on a mountain bike, for example. And the super breathable material ensures optimal sweat absorption and a quick drying. The breathable mesh also allows the fresh air to enter to effectively keep our hands cool and dry too. And 100% complete protection. The TPR finger pads protected the index finger, the middle finger, and the ring finger, and the smaller fingers as well. The SCR pad on the back of the gloves protects our hand with maximum protection from external influence. A thickened palm cushion with a thickness of 5 mm performs the shock absorption function perfectly. There are some non-slip silicone rubber strips on the surface of the palm pad, which increase the friction and wear resistance. And we can close this easily by hook and loop function. It's easy to put on and take off. The glove is equipped with a Velcro fastener on the elastic cuff, which not only helps us adjust the thickness, the tightness of that it is fits us, but also protected our wrist when we are in outdoor activities. And it's easy to put on or take it off the gloves with the strap. It's really cool and easy, and it looks really awesome. I like most the yellow ones. They look so cool. Oh yeah, so really cool. Cycling gloves are gloves designed for cycling itself. They may provide warmth, comfort, and of course protection. Gloves are frequently used to keep the hand warm, of course, a function that is particularly necessary when cycling in cold weather. I think this device here is better for summertime, spring, or a little bit of fall. It's not a winter cycling hand stuff, okay? But it's really cool. It is awesome in hot conditions. And it gives us an awesome grip. In warm weather, the sweat from the cyclist's hands can cause difficulty maintaining control over the bicycle by making handlebars slippery and difficult to hold without increasing hand tensions, which can cause further issues and numbness. Cycling gloves, this designed here, without full finger covering and with ventilation to reduce the temperature and comfort. Cycling places a good deal of stress on the hands in the form of prolonged pressure against handlebars and transmission of sudden road shocks through the handlebars to the hand. The severity of discomfort can be mildly summed by riding position, but it is essentially inherent in most designs of upright bicycles. However, the choice of the wide distribution between the saddle and the handlebars is usually determined by other factors, such as aerodynamics controls and long-term comfort. The padded gloves or the handbar grips are therefore useful to increase comfort for a given geometry. And these gloves here can help us with a good comfort grip. and it looks cool. Cyclists often deal with perspiration and nose running on a constant basis because clothes and paper tissues may be difficult and time consuming to use during cycling. Many cyclists have resorted to using the backs of their gloves to wipe the sweat from their faces and the nasal mucus that drips from their noses. And here it comes. Here is a softened area to do that on these gloves. And of course, protection. Putting a hand out to break a fall is a natural reaction. However, the hands are one of the more difficult parts of the body to repair. There's a little or no spare skin, and immobilizing the hands sufficiently to promote healing involves significant inconvenience to the patients. So many cyclists choose to wear gloves all year round to help avoid the skin damage in the fall. Like here, it will protect us more than standard finger gloves or a half finger gloves, because here it comes with the TPR finger pads and this SCR pad for the flexibility. That's really cool. Oh yeah, and you can wash it in a washing machine. I think it was 30 degrees Celsius, and then you can buy maybe the I think the green one and the black one is the coolest. Maybe you buy two of them and you can wash one, let it dry, and the other one you can use, and so you can do and have everyday use like this or with that half finger gloves here by INBIKE. It's not only for motocross, it's not only for mountain biking, it's for trekking bikes too, for fixed gear cycling, for folding biking, and road cycling, of course. Easy to attach, easy to remove, and it looks really cool. These are the INBIKE mountain bike motocross half finger gloves with TPR finger pads and SCR pad for flexibility in road cycling, mountain biking, folding biking, and fixed gear cycling, etc. of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.